Hello! What we are going to focus on in this video is proving trigonomic identities using the sum and the difference properties. And like when we're proving our identities with others, I want you to have kind of your cheat sheet in front of you with the sum and difference formulas, and then you've got your reciprocal, your quotient, your Pythagorean identities, and your odd and even functions. So having these just kind of right in front of you is going to be helpful when you are proving identities. And you want to be comfortable with the sum and difference properties because this is what your assignment that's due on Sunday night is these sum and difference properties. So the very first step, what I'm going to do is I am going to take the cosine of x minus y and the sine of x minus y, and I am going to substitute in the cosine of x plus y, this property here and what it equals, and